Welcome guys to another quick video this weekend. Today we will tell you how you can change your default Python version with any custom Python version on your Linux. For this guide we are using Zorin OS 16.2, which is based on Ubuntu Focal, and have already installed the newest Python 3.11.3. Zorin OS comes with old Python, as you can see on your screens. Find its path with this command. Now check your custom installed Python, which is 3.11. Find its path as well with this command. Now we need to create a symbolic link for Python3 that points to the Python 3.11.3 executable. Run the following command with correct paths as shown. All done wisely. Now your default Python is replaced with your newly installed Python. Enjoy using it.